What's the meaning of blasted? Blasted. Blasted.
Blasted. Blasted. The word blasted has multiple meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. In its most common usage, blasted can be used as an expletive to express frustration or irritation. For example, I can't find my keys, blasted it. In addition, blasted can be used to describe something that has been subjected to an explosive force, such as a building or a rock face that has been blasted with dynamite. Finally, blasted can be used to refer to something that has been subjected to intense heat, such as a piece of meat that has been blasted in a high-temperature oven to create a sear.